Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, we've got a fair amount of sunshine out there this morning. Some low cloudiness earlier this morning, but they have broken up and we're seeing just a partly cloudy sky, which will likely continue as we go into the afternoon hours today before some more cloudiness rolls into the area later tonight and then some rain by early tomorrow morning. Looking at our conditions from yesterday, see a pretty wide-ranging spread in our temperatures for highs yesterday. 37 degrees in Baltimore, 50 degrees at Norfolk. We fell somewhere kind of in the middle here at Wallops at 45 degrees. Salisbury coming in at 44 for their daytime high yesterday. Overnight last night, temperatures generally running in the upper 30s. We did see a couple of exceptions to that. Dover coming in at 34 degrees and Norfolk coming in at 40. We were at 39 degrees for our overnight low here at Wallops. Just a little bit of precipitation over the last 24 hours, 1/100 of an inch at Richmond, 1/100 of an inch at Newport News. A trace reported at Langley, Norfolk, and Wallops. So nothing significant as far as rainfall goes over the last 24 hours, but as we go into the weekend, we'll likely see a change in that as we'll see some rain showers tomorrow morning and also again Friday evening, where we could see some light to moderate rain showers throughout the area. At 9 a.m. we see temperatures rebounding into the mid-40s across the region, 45 degrees here under sunny skies at Wallops. Looking at our upper level wind data from this morning's balloon release, winds generally out of a northerly direction at the low levels of the atmosphere before picking up more of a westerly component as we go up with height. 6,000 feet we see a westerly wind at 25 knots, and then at the 25,000 foot level those winds increase up to 62 knots out of a westerly direction. Freezing level this morning was at 9,700 feet. Looking at our current radar depiction, you can see really nothing to be concerned about, just some false echoes, returns coming in across the bay here, but no precipitation to be concerned with here at Wallops, and we're expected to remain dry as we go through the remainder of the day today. Infrared satellite showing a pretty good batch of cloudiness here with some higher cloud tops moving in from the southwest, and that will act to increase our cloudiness as we go into the late afternoon and evening hours. But for the next few hours, enjoy that sunshine, because we will see mostly sunny conditions continuing through the early afternoon before those clouds begin to move through the area. Looking at our forecast maps here, you can see by later this evening that rainfall gets a little closer to our area. Upper level cloudiness should have already overspread the area by that point in time as well. And then early tomorrow morning, we'll likely see that rainfall into the region. Looks like as we go farther north, probably from points around Salisbury northward up to Dover and Georgetown, they could see some sleet mixing in at times, maybe even a little bit of wet snow, but really nothing to be concerned with even in our northern sections of the Delmarva as far as wintry precipitation goes tonight and into early tomorrow morning. For Wallops, we're expecting an all-rain event. It will be a cold rain event, though, as those overnight low temperatures dip to around 35 or 36 degrees. We'll see a little bit of a break in the action during the afternoon tomorrow, but then an additional area of low pressure will begin to strengthen as it exits the Outer Banks coastline, and we'll see some more moderate rain showers here at Wallops during the Friday night time frame. As we go into Saturday morning, we'll likely see low cloudiness and some drizzle continuing into the area, but could see a little bit of sunshine by afternoon and evening, or excuse me, the afternoon into the late afternoon hours, and then seeing some clouds increasing once again as we get into the overnight period on Saturday, but a little bit of a break in the action as far as the rainfall goes as we get into the afternoon and overnight period of Saturday into Sunday morning. Looking at our short-range forecast model here, you can see by overnight tonight those rain showers begin to approach the area. This would be 1 o'clock in the morning here tomorrow. You can see just a little bit of rain activity off to our west, and by 4 o'clock in the morning those rain showers beginning to impact the area. It does look like we'll see heavier showers off to our north, but looking like we'll see a pretty good chance of some rain as we get up tomorrow morning around 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. A pretty good bet that we'll see some light rain showers in the area. So we go through the morning hours and into the afternoon, again looking like we might see a little bit of a break in the action as we go into the late morning and afternoon hours, and then as we go into the evening those rain showers begin to intensify once again for us. So not much of a break in the rainfall during the day tomorrow, as those rain showers will be right back in the forecast for our Friday evening into early Saturday morning. So we go through the weekend again. Saturday looks like we'll see some low cloudiness and some areas of drizzle possibly early in the morning, but throughout the day on Saturday it looks like we'll see some drier conditions work their way into the region, and we'll see a return to the rainfall as we go into the later portion of the weekend, into Sunday night and into Monday morning. Our forecast for the next 24 hours showing really no hazards to be concerned with until early tomorrow morning, where we'll see that rain begin to impact the region once again. Looks like after about 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning, we'll see those rain showers becoming likely in the area. And again, temperatures will be cold, but not quite cold enough for wintry precipitation here at Wallops, as we are expecting mainly an all rain event for our local area. Points northward, Salisbury north, could see again a little bit of sleet mixing in with the rain at times in that area. Looking ahead to the forecast for Friday and Saturday, we're going to see that rain likely during the morning on Friday, a chance of a few scattered showers during the afternoon, and then the moderate rain showers working their way back into the forecast for Friday night. We'll see a daytime high around 44 degrees for Friday, and then Friday night looking at a low temperature of 40. For Saturday, again, the low cloudiness and the drizzle during the morning hours, and then seeing mostly cloudy skies during the afternoon. At least by the late afternoon, should see a little bit of sunshine returning to the region. Look for a high on Saturday of 51 degrees. So as we go through the weekend and through the day on Saturday, we're going to see again the chance of some light drizzle early Saturday morning, with possibility of some sunshine by late afternoon. And then for Sunday, we'll see the clouds beginning to build, and we'll see the rain showers becoming likely during the later portion of the day into the evening hours. We'll see that rain work its way into the forecast. It does look like an all-rain event for the Sunday into Monday time frame, but as that front moves through the region, we're going to see some pretty windy conditions as well. With that frontal passage, we'll see some warm air being drawn out ahead of it. By Sunday night around midnight, could see those temperatures into the mid to upper 50s, and then temperatures really falling quickly Monday as that precipitation moves off the coast. Behind it, we'll see the winds pick up out of the northwest, and the temperatures falling quickly into the 40s and eventually the 30s by Monday morning, and seeing temperatures pretty chilly for the first part of next week behind that frontal boundary. High of 41 degrees likely occurring in the early morning hours of Monday, and then only up to 38 degrees on Tuesday, 34 degrees on Wednesday, with those overnight low temperatures in the mid-20s. That'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.